class, now it's GK time. So take out your GK book. Open page number 42, Women Power. Read the flowing clues. Do they remind you of someone you have read or heard about? Think hard and write the names taking help from the help box. Here are the clues, and in the help box some names are given. We have to choose the name according to the clues. So let's start. First woman scientist to receive the Nobel Prize in Science. First woman scientist to receive the Nobel Prize in Science. This is a picture of that woman. Who is she? Marie Curie. So she received the Nobel Prize. So she was the first scientist who received Nobel Prize in Science. First elected woman Prime Minister of the world. Elected Prime Minister of the world. She is here. Here is the picture. The name is starting from B. Here is the B. Bandar Naik. So right. Bandar Naik. First woman leader of a Muslim country in modern history. Here is the picture of that woman. This name is also starting from B. Yes, this is the picture of Benazir Bhutto. She was the first woman leader of a Muslim country in modern history. Benazir Bhutto. First Indo-American woman in space. Who is she? Yes, Kalpana Chawla. First celebrated nun to receive the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Who is she? Yes, Mother Teresa. First Indian woman Prime Minister. This is a picture of, yes, Indira Gandhi. She was the first Indian woman Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Clear, children?